Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the DREO Smart Fan, a versatile and innovative cooling solution that promises to enhance your comfort in any space. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DREO Smart Fan? It's a powerful yet quiet 12-speed oscillating fan designed for various environments, from bedrooms to living rooms and even your workspace. The fan features a unique 2-in-1 design that allows it to function as both a floor fan and a tabletop fan, making it incredibly adaptable to your needs. Let's break down some of its most impressive features. First up is its powerful airflow capacity. With a DC motor, this fan delivers up to 1500 CFM, reaching an impressive distance of 120 feet. This means you can enjoy consistent, whole-room air circulation, helping to eliminate those annoying hotspots in larger spaces. It has wind speeds that can reach up to 29 feet per second, ensuring that you're enveloped in a refreshing breeze, even on the hottest days. Another standout feature is its motion-synced intelligent 3D airflow. Thanks to dual independent motors, the fan offers 150 degrees horizontal and 100 degrees vertical oscillation. This allows for wide coverage, ensuring that the airflow is evenly distributed throughout the room. Plus, with smart airflow control, you can easily adjust the direction of the airflow using the remote, so you can customize your cooling experience to fit your preferences. Noise can often be a concern with fans, especially when you're trying to sleep or focus on work. The DREO Smart Fan addresses this with its ultra-quiet operation. Engineered with bionic fan blades, it operates as quietly as 20 dB. This means you can enjoy a cool breeze without the distraction of loud noise. Its natural breeze mode even simulates gentle variations in airflow, creating a soft, comfortable environment that's perfect for relaxation or sleep. In terms of control, the DREO Smart Fan is exceptionally user-friendly. You can operate it via a touch panel, remote, app, or even through your voice, making it accessible and convenient for everyone. With 6 different modes and 12 speed settings, it can adapt to a variety of situations, whether you need a gentle breeze while working or a stronger airflow during hot summer days. Plus, its memory function restores your previous settings after a power outage, ensuring you don't have to reset everything each time. So, who is the DREO Smart Fan suitable for? It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their comfort at home or in the office. Whether you're a student needing a quiet fan while studying, a professional working from home, or someone who simply wants to enjoy a cool breeze while relaxing, this fan covers all bases. Practical use cases are endless. For instance, if you're working late at night and don't want to disturb anyone around you, the ultra-quiet operation makes it an excellent choice. Or, if you have family members who are sensitive to temperature fluctuations, the whole room air circulation can help maintain a more consistent climate. Additionally, its ability to convert from a floor to a tabletop fan means you can easily move it from room to room or adjust its height based on your needs. In conclusion, the DREO Smart Fan is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly cooling solution that adapts to various environments and needs. Its combination of quiet operation, intelligent airflow, and smart controls makes it a worthy addition to any space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't